Meaning of Grantchester.
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 Grantchester. Grantchester is a small village located near Cambridge in England. The name Grantchester is believed to have originated from the Old English words Grant meaning gravelly and Cester meaning Roman fort or town. Therefore, the name Grantchester suggests that the village was built on gravelly soil near a Roman settlement. Today, Grantchester is a popular tourist destination known for its picturesque views, historic buildings, and association with famous literary figures such as Rupert Brooke, Virginia Woolf, and Sylvia Plath.